Hi, I'm Eddie B, and today I'm going to show you how to change a clearance light on a gas tanker or any similar trailer that uses this kind of clearance light. Now, why we're changing this clearance light? First of all, it barely works. I mean, there is some light coming out of there, but it's not legal. You can barely see it because I'm going to show you what the other side looks like. And yes, you have to have your lights turned on in order to check this, because look at this right side over here. It is just fine and working while the other side isn't. So let's go get our tools and change this clearance light out. Make sure to turn off all the lights on your truck first. For this, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, and you're gonna unscrew all these 3 bolts. Once you're unscrewing your last one, it's pretty easy. It comes right off. Just be careful not to lose them all, but it becomes pretty easy to remove this unit. Next, you just unplug this right over here. So unfortunately, Love's does not sell these. I tried to separate this so maybe I could put the one that Love's has inside. No, this comes as one unit and you're gonna have to buy it somewhere else. So I bought this instead. I'm gonna install it in here. I'm gonna show you how. First, you're gonna grab electrical tape and you're gonna tighten it out like this so that when you put this on, it actually becomes tight, because this is still loose around here. And then there's another step you got to do. Now this thing is solid, so I taped it from the back a little bit to hold it kind of, and then I taped it around the edge here, and this is going to be left illuminating. It's going to be waterproof because there's so much tape, so it's not going to do anything in the rain. If it does, I got to just take it off and retape it, but get a proper light. But this is just an emergency fix. So now time to screw it back in and see if it works. So you can see I put tape on the back here for it not to slide past, and I put tape on the back of the plate here so that it doesn't slide forward, so it stays in one place. If it's working, I gotta turn on all my lights for everything to work. Let's see if it's working. And there you have it. That's how you change a clearance light on any trailer. And I did an emergency fix with electrical tape, so sometimes you gotta use your smarts. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2006 turn light. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.